Welcome to our quick guide on finding all received links by date on WhatsApp Web on PC with the latest update. If you've ever wondered how to sort through your messages to locate every link you've received, this video shows a straightforward path you can follow right now. First, open WhatsApp Web on your computer and log in if you're not already connected. The desktop experience mirrors the phone app, but with a few convenient clicks that make sorting easier. On the left side of the screen, you'll see your chats listed, and the main panel displays the current conversation once you click into it. Next, locate the media icon in the left side menu. It's a small, recognizable symbol that consolidates all media shared in the chat. Clicking this icon opens a window that collects the various types of content you've exchanged with the person or group, including photos, videos, and links. This is where you'll begin the process of finding links by date. From the media window, choose links to filter everything that has been shared as clickable URLs. This tab collects all the links sent within the conversation, giving you a centralized place to review them without scrolling through every message. It's particularly helpful for tracking sources, references, or important URLs you may have missed. At the top of the links window, look for the sort icon. This control lets you reorder the displayed items so you can make sense of them faster. Click the sort icon to reveal sorting options and select others. This reveals more nuanced sorting parameters beyond the basic newest or oldest. Within the others options, choose period to narrow down the results by a specific time range. You can set the start and end dates to constrain the list to a particular window, such as the last week, month, or custom dates. This lets you pinpoint exactly when each link appeared in your chats, giving you a precise timeline of received content. As you apply the date range, the list updates to show only the links that fall within your chosen period. You can scroll through the filtered results to review each link, and you can open any item to revisit the page or source directly. If you need to share or save a set of links, you can take notes or screenshots from this view for quick reference. Thanks for watching.